anniversary! You see him?
Will you put him on top of him?
He jump
Come
out.
out himself?
Yeah.
Why you come out yourself?
Hey guys, it's Credit Savvy's 15 years anniversary. And I'm so happy for the past 15 years I helped many of you to become a giant Huatnniversary through property investment. Last year, for the 14 years anniversary, remember for those of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I have given out 14 free online one-to-one sessions. For this year, I am so grateful that everyone has been following me for many years. I want to give out many more free giveaways. For those of you who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, remember to do it now, and I wish that you will become the next giant Huatnniversary.